So hi everyone, myself Rekha, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. To last topic is nothing but standard deviation in the course Computation of Mathematics. So this standard deviation is nothing but an root mean square deviation. Another name we can say it is a root mean square deviation. Here the content we are going to discuss is nothing but introduction of standard deviation, then advantages and disadvantages, examples of standard deviation, uses of standard deviation. Next, how to introduce the standard deviation we used to define. So, standard deviation is nothing but an square root of an arithmetic average of the square of all the deviations from the mean, and in short it is defined as an root mean square deviation from the mean. So, normally x is defined as x1, x2, etc. and normally the symbol of the standard deviation is sigma. The different formula for computing the standard deviation is nothing but, for example, the observation or the varieties of the observations are denoted by m, and x1, x2 be the variable and the corresponding coefficients are f1, f2, f3 and so on. Here also the calculation can be done using the standard deviation for the individual observation, discrete observation and as well as the continuous observation. Here just we are going to derive only the individual observation. The marks of the some students are given 5, 10, 20, 25, 40, 42, 45, 48, 70, 80. But the values, how will you calculate? The formula is nothing but you have to square x square. For example, 5 means the 5 square will get 25, 10 square means 100, 40 square means 20 square means 400, 15 square means 25 square means 625. So like that you can find the square. After finding the square of the value, the formula we can calculate, that is root of summation x square by n minus summation x by n the whole square. In the formula you have to substitute the standard deviation. Next we can calculate it for the continuous series. So for continuous series means there will be x value, f value. For let us consider the x value as 6, 9, 12, f value as 7, 12, 13. We have to find x square 36, 81, 144. Then we have to find fx. F-யும் x-யும் multiply பண்ணோம் 42, 108, 156. Then you have to find f of x square 252, 972, 187. After finding this, we have to add all the values and then apply in the formula. So already you know the formula, so same formula you have to apply. So next, what are the advantages and disadvantages of the standard deviation? The advantages of the standard deviation is nothing but it is based on the observation and it is rigidly defined, and it is compared to the algebraic treatment, and it helps us to less affect by the fluctuation of sampling and so on. So these are the observations we are going to done using the standard deviation problem. So the standard deviation help us to find the root mean square deviation, and if it is find for the individual observation means we can use to find the standard deviation as root mean square deviation, that is summation fm by summation fm square by summation f, and this help us to find the value of the standard deviation. So all the values are applied using the standard deviation in the form of an root mean square deviation. So this help us to, there will be a some of the disadvantages in the standard deviation, that is it is not easy to understand and calculate, but the less number of items are nearer to the mean, and as well as the deviation will be occurred in the ratio of 1:9 we used to find using the standard deviation. So standard deviation not only in the methods to apply sigma for the individual series, discrete series and continuous series. Once again I am recall the formula. Sigma equal to root of summation x square by n minus summation x by n. The whole square is nothing but individual series. If we put f means summation fx by n, summation f means that is the discrete series. If instead of x if we apply m means that is nothing but a continuous series. So based on the observation you can apply the formula, students. So thank you for watching this standard deviation. I will give some of the problems as assignment. You can solve more problems in the standard deviation. So thank you. So thank you, Pa.